Hi and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we talked about what AI, or artificial intelligence, actually is. Today, we're going a bit deeper and looking at how AI actually works and how it's used in everyday life. So, let's start with how AI actually learns. AI learns through something called machine learning. This means we give a computer a lot of data and let it find patterns in it. For example, if we want AI to recognize pictures of cats, we feed it thousands of pictures of both cats and non-cats, and the AI learns to distinguish between them by discovering visual patterns. But AI isn't just something used in labs. In fact, we see AI all around us today. For example, when you use facial recognition to unlock your phone, that's AI working behind the scenes. Banks use AI to detect suspicious transactions and protect you from fraud. And in the healthcare sector, AI analyzes medical images to detect early signs of diseases. AI is helping us work smarter and make everyday life easier. The future of AI looks incredibly exciting. We're already seeing AI that can help doctors detect diseases early, AI that can write articles, and even AI that can help solve complex problems like climate change. But it also raises some questions about ethics and responsibility. Who is accountable if an AI makes a mistake? These are topics we'll be talking a lot more about in the future. That was a quick introduction to how AI works and is being used today. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting topics on technology and the future.